मुरगांव पालिकेचेर भावना नानुस्कर हिची नगराध्यक्ष पदार निवड जाल्या. भावना नानुस्कर हिणें फ्रेडरिक हेनरीस हाका एका मतान हारयलो. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर मुरगांवच्यान प्रसाद नाईक.
This election was held as per the procedure laid down in the Goa Municipalities Chairperson and Vice Chairperson Election Rules 1969 and the Act governing it. This election was totally in a transparent manner, as you have observed it. We tried to maintain as maximum transparency as possible, except with the secret ballot. And yes, the procedure was duly followed in all respects. Yeah, there were two candidates left in the fray upon scrutiny and withdrawal. Frederick Hendricks got 12 votes and Bhavna Nanuskar got 13 votes. So by virtue of the 13 votes, she has been elected as the 49th chairperson of Marmagao Municipal Council.
कावन्सिलर चेअरपर्सन म्हणून निवडून येयला ते फक्त माझे सगळे कावन्सिलर्सां खातीर कित्याक गेले आतां 2 वर्स 9 म्हयने जाले आज आमकां आमी कावन्सिलर जाल्यार. तुमी सदां विचारी आसली की कितें तुमची कामां जाल्यार तुमचें कांय हें नासता. तेंची न्हू चडश्यांची मनां दुखवली गेल्या हितून आनी कामां जावंक नासलीं. सो तेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी आमी एक जावन आतां आमी हें करतलीं म्हणून आज हांव चेअरपर्सन निवडून येयला.
It was a neck-to-neck battle. In fact, last 3 years, Deepak was our chairperson, and he's really done a lot. Finances have improved so much. Right now, it's about basically taking it from here. I wish Bhavna all the very best, and let's see how things go.
काही ह्या वाटेन येवपाक कारण कितें? Because there was no development at all.